Hello everyone and welcome to this exciting video on Amazon Web Services. Are you ready to dive into the dynamic world of AWS and discover the power behind? In this video, we'll explore the incredible global infrastructure that fuels AWS, giving you a glimpse into how it enables businesses to innovate, scale, and thrive. If you're new here and looking to learn more about AWS, cloud computing, or tech tutorials, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Alright, let's get started. So, what exactly is AWS? AWS or Amazon Web Services is the world's leading and one of the most secure cloud platforms. It provides over 200 fully featured services from data centers around the globe. These services span a wide range of services, including computing power, virtual private networks, storage, databases, content delivery, and much more. Trusted by billions from individual developers and startups to large corporations and governments, AWS connects users across the internet, offering unparalleled flexibility, scalability, and reliability. Whether you're launching a new venture or managing complex enterprise requirements, AWS offers the tools and services needed to innovate and grow in the cloud. It's all about equipping you with the infrastructure to drive progress and achieve your goals. Let's break down the AWS cloud infrastructure. It's designed to ensure that AWS services are highly available, scalable, and have low latency. The AWS cloud spans 105 availability zones within 33 geographic regions. AWS is constantly expanding with plans for 18 more availability zones and 6 more AWS regions in Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Thailand, and the AWS European Sovereign Cloud. Also, AWS offers 41 local zones to provide ultra low latency access to specific AWS services for users in major population centers and IT hubs. This setup helps AWS provide reliable and fast services to users no matter where they are. Now let's talk about the backbone of AWS global reach, its network of data centers, which are organized into regions and availability zones. Regions are independent geographical areas like London or Sydney, and each one has multiple data centers known as availability zones. These zones are separate from each other, so if one has an issue, your application can switch to another zone and keep running smoothly. This is what we mean by high availability. The physical separation of these zones also means that services are placed closer to users, ensuring low latency. By having multiple regions and availability zones, AWS provides global coverage, fault tolerance, and high availability for its services. This setup helps keeps your applications running reliably and quickly, no matter where your users are. That wraps up today's video. If you found the content useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with others who might benefit. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop any questions or topic suggestions in the comments. Your feedback really helps us improve. If you're interested in diving deeper into AWS, check out our latest CLF C02 course. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.